At the end of the day, the only thing that really matters is making life as pleasant as possible. Like, that should be the goal, is just to make life as enjoyable as possible. Because life is not easy.
Yeah. Sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now. Baby. I took a half.
Everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Nicole. It is currently a Monday morning. Hi, spirit zam is low. I hate it when my wardrobe is open. I'm feeling so sad because my family is gone to get baptized and I'm not there, unfortunately. Like, I'm so sad. But then, yeah, also I got ready for church and I didn't see that it's raining outside. Like, guys, also I hope my Uber driver doesn't give me troubles. Like, I told him, please come inside because it's raining. I hope he's not the come to steal park, giving the shield in a pagat type of person, you know. So yeah, but then hopefully church is always good, but like, wow, this sucks, man. This sucks.
Long as you got your eyes, got your trippy on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just telling myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end.
Yeah, but guys, this week, I don't know whether I'm vlog. No, I'm vloggy. I'm so confused. I'm so confused. Like, I don't know whether I'm vlogging or not. If you're a vlogger on Sunday and I think Saturday. On Sunday morning and Saturday morning. Yeah, give vloggy. But then like it's Wednesday right now, so I don't even know if I should carry on with the vlog. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I'm thinking, I don't know, I just had a really busy week and the week just needed my full attention, putting a looking vlog and stuff like that. Also, I just posted a video. Yeah, I'm not sure if I'm gonna vlog or not. I'm not gonna lie. Also, my hot comb broke. It literally, like, I don't know if the wire popped kapagati, but something happened there. And then, yeah, and Jay, that was boring because I was literally just, and I was so calm about it. I was literally trying to hot comb it down, you know. Haibo, that's in Jay cool. Got haibo. Got how, guys. Segunjalo. How? Usandukufika. Isiyahamba. Isiyafa. Yeah, but then I think that if I do vlog, I'm gonna give you guys more of what is it called, like more of montages. Is it a montage? I think so, yeah, because I've been speaking the entire time of this video, because most of the clips that I have is me speaking and me getting ready and stuff. So I'm sure you're tired of seeing my face. I'm sure you're tired, but yeah, I'm gonna do that. But I don't know what I'm doing though this week. Yo guys, let me tell you guys quickly because I don't want to talk too much. This week I had a assignment due on Monday, right? And then I had two meetings. I had a meeting for fellas, and then I had a meeting for street law. And then yesterday was Tuesday. Yesterday I wrote a test. Yeah, I wrote yesterday. Yesterday I wrote a test. Had to come back, and then I thought I was gonna do some work, but then I was absolutely tired. I was tired from studying. And then today's Wednesday. Today I went to my classes, and then I came back to take a nap because I was like, guys, I slept really late. I'm struggling to fall asleep. I don't know if it's because of the turbo vibes or what, but I was struggling to fall asleep yesterday. I don't know if I took the turbo vibe too late in the day. And then I came back, took a nap. Oh, I was like, no, it's actually, I have to go consult today. So I get up and I go consult. The person I'm going to consult with is not there. My lecturer is not there. I'm like, so I was like, you know what? I'm already on campus. I got up. I have my laptop that I carried all the way to campus. There's no ways I'm not putting this to use. Okay. And then I went to the library. I think that was around 2:30, 3. And then I just got back now. I think it's 8 o'clock now. Majority of the time I was busy doing what's this thing, stuff for the forum, right? So I'm writing next week Thursday, if I'm not mistaken, writing next week Thursday. So but I've only seen this lecturer only like not twice, maybe 5 times, 4 times. That's not because of me, not because I'm attendee. It's because like she always has something going on. Like she's always like there's an emergency, what. I can't wait for maintenance week. I will let you know if I vlog. I don't even know if I'm gonna vlog. Maybe I'll vlog next week. I'll add this onto next week's vlog. Then you'll have a vlog from this week and next week. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Welcome to a new week in my life. Welcome to a new week. I'm about to go to Canal Walk. Oh, is it echoing? Should I move back? I'm about to go to Canal Walk to get my aunt some flowers because she just came from surgery. So yeah, come along with me. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. We're on the road to not 3,000 anymore, 4,000 subscribers. Yeah, so today I'm just wearing a long dress. With my Crocs. Let me show you guys my Crocs. Please, I do not want to be judged for that. And I'm carrying my Steve Meeting bag. So yeah, this is the look today. Let's go and get her some flowers, go see her, go check the babas, go check the call. Yesterday, I went to First Thursdays. Yeah, we shall not speak of it. But yeah, guys, and I'm breaking out. I have a breakout going on because it's from my period. Like, look at that. Period acne is actually horrible. And yeah, see you guys in the next clip, please. The wind? Oh my gosh, no. The wind said, my dear, Yo. That's a smell. What if they can see me from there? I think they can see me from there.
Program ya skeleme, kila si Jerusalem. Jumile kwa ya feteme, kanu mwenyere ye fetere. Dabate adinya ke middleman, kakabuka ego senele, badala banya karekere. Ishokar, ishokar.
I just ran out of my ordinary serum, the hyaluronic acid. It is so good, guys. It is so good. I was gifted this by The Ordinary 3 months ago to try out. And you know what they say, Guti, if you want to know if a product really works, you got to test it out for 3 months or more. I think that this is so good, especially if you want plumpier skin, guys. If you want plumpier skin and you feel like your skin is really dry, it's perfect. I just ran out and I don't know if I'm gonna go get a new one. I don't know. I'm gonna see today later. But I just wanted to tell you guys that if you want like plumpier skin, yeah. Guys, I just took a picture for a social media committee, so I'm about to change and go back. I need to go consult before I go to social media kitchen. I'm eating 2 fat juicy boerewors rolls. Yeah. They look so good. I can't wait to start eating. I'm finished. I'm finished. I hope you can see it in my eyes. That iphelile siyaphela. Oh. Don't think about me and unboxing. I can't wait. I'm just one of those people that just can't wait. Ordinary, they will always send presentable PR. This is so cute. I think I want to film an unboxing. Let me not open it too harshly. Okay. Fancy. Okay. Guys, maybe I should start calling myself Annelisa because do you know what? Everyone, like, right now, everyone keeps calling me Annelisa. Like, when I go for interviews, this is so much better. When I go for interviews or anything like that, I'm always called Annelisa. So maybe I must just stick with that name. But this is the number, but I can't like mess it up because I want to shoot content. Love to hear your feedback on it. Like this. It's cute, Timos. Okay. It feels like Vaseline. The lighting and see if I can't do an unboxing right now. I need to go to the library, so yeah, let me pack up and bounce. The bag is also nice. I lost when I bought some things, so it's these 3 things. It's yeah. I don't know in which part of the vlog this is going to be included in, but look, Lonwabo bought me a cake. Guys, I will never settle. I will never, ever settle. She bought me a cake. She bought me a cake. Guys, like, I feel so... Uber driver is already outside. I still have to walk all the way there. So hi, welcome. It's Wednesday. I'm about to go to Kenilworth to the doctor to get my B12 shot. So Assam.
America has a problem. Cause you got that deep for me. Real love is deep for me. I'ma make you go weak for me. Make you wake up weak for me. I see you watching TV. I know you want it, see it. I know you need it, drug. You want it all, you don't I know. You need love, I need some too. Do you want this? Like it wants you. Know that booty gon' do what it want to. Can't hit it one time, hookable. I know you see this red back on me. Now come and get high. 20, 40, 80 out the trap. Hit it with the rap, put it on the map. We'll be right back. Call me when you wanna get high. 20 man tunnel with the racks. IVP on my bag, double G's on my dash. Nigga, I'm bad. I'm bad. Boy, you can get no higher.
I just get up. What it is, guys, I genuinely don't care here. I love that. Oh, anyone here except you.
And then somebody else.
Then you got the wrong girl. I'm the wrong girl.
Oh, Instagram. Yeah, I know.
You don't know me from Instagram.
Push B. Yeah, push B. Turn me up. Turn me up, B. Corners in the paddock, gave my piece. Push B. Cop new hammers for my beat. We don't want no peace. Got spotted cost back. Peace. Drop the data, now we play inside the peas. She not a lesbian for peace. She turned lesbian. Push B. Push B. On capital P, I write the president, count president. Portuguese on her knees, my banana P. She let me squeeze, then she leave, cause she P. Privacy, bitch, I'm pushing P. Purple paint, piece of pink, bitch, I'm pushing P.